Hello dear student. In previous video we studied about the preparation of phenols and also discuss about the acidity of phenols on the basis of resonance theory. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the topic that is comparative acidic strength of alcohols and phenols. When we compare alcohols and phenols for acidity, obviously phenols are more acidic than alcohol, and this is also confirmed by the fact that we also discussed that alcohols are too weak acids that they even can't turn that blue litmus paper to red. That is the first indication that alcohols are very weak acid, and the second one that alcohols they do not neutralize hydroxide, and the difference in the acidic strength of alcohols and phenols, it can be justified with the help of resonance. In previous lecture we also discussed about the resonating structures of phenol and phenoxide ions, and we know that both they are resonance stabilized. Since the hybrid for the phenoxide is more stable as compared to phenol, and therefore the conversion of phenol to phenoxide ion by releasing H plus is easily possible, and which accounts for the acidic nature or acidic, it shows the acidic character of phenol. On the other hand, resonance is not possible in alcohol or alkoxide ion. You can see the reaction. Therefore, alcohols are much less acidic than phenol, and they can release H plus ion from alcohol. It is quite difficult as compared to phenol. You can see the reactions where phenol get converted to phenoxide ion and where H plus get released. This phenoxide ion is more stabilized, or it is stabilized due to resonance. And when we compare this with the second reaction where we can see the alcohol doesn't show any resonating structures doesn't show resonance, and therefore it get converted to alkoxide ion, but the release of H plus is not so easy. So this is about the acidic nature of alcohol and phenol. Now the above argument that we say that phenols are more acidic is also supported by the value of dissociation constant of phenol and alcohol. It must be further noted that the presence of electron withdrawing, the groups which are having tendency to attract electron towards itself like NO2, CHO, etc., and electron releasing group means the groups which donate electrons, electron pair, for example any alkyl or NH2 or OH group, etc., also affect the acidic strength of the phenol. In general, suppose you can see in the first reaction acidic strength is more is written there below the first structure where X is there, and X is electron withdrawing group, means if on phenol X or any electron withdrawing group is present, it increases the acidic strength of that phenol, because if the electron withdrawing group is present, it attract electron towards itself, and therefore it stabilizes the anion, and therefore as the stability is more, the acidic strength is also more. Now in second case you can see that Y is there, and suppose Y is electron donating group. If it is electron donating group, then what happened? It destabilizes the ion, and therefore acidic strength also decreases. In second example, electron releasing or electron attracting effect is generally more pronounced if substituent is present at ortho and para position. This acidity or effect of the electron withdrawing or donating group is, we can see, more effectively when the substituents they are present on ortho and para position. So in the last example, you can see that nitro group is present on the ortho position, then nitro group is present in the ortho position. Therefore, the most acidic one is the para-nitrophenol, followed by ortho-nitrophenol, then followed by meta-nitrophenol, and the least one is the phenol. In next case, as we increase the number of substituents, further increases or decreases the acidic strength. Means if electron withdrawing groups are present more and more, it increases acidity more and more, and if electron donating groups are present more and more, then it decreases the acidity more and more. So this is all about the comparison of a phenol and alcohol, how phenol is more acidic than alcohol. In the next topic, we are going to study the chemical reactions of phenol. Now phenol is having a ring, benzene ring, and whenever benzene ring is present there, it generally undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Some common electrophilic substitution reactions are there which we are aware with it, that is nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. These are the common example which comes under electrophilic substitution reaction. So we will start with the nitration reaction. Now here nitration is possible by two ways with phenol. In the first case, on nitration with dilute nitric acid, phenol gives mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. We also studied in unit number 1 that OH is electron donating group, it is a activating group, and whenever activating group is there, further substitution takes place at ortho and para position, and therefore we get here the two compounds, that is para-nitrophenol and ortho-nitrophenol. In second case, it is also nitration. Instead of dilute nitric acid, here we are taking concentrated nitric acid and we get a different product. Here all three position get substituted, ortho, para, and two ortho position and one para position, and therefore we get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is also known as picric acid. This is the first reaction, electrophilic reaction, that is nitration. Then the second electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation. Here also phenol undergoes halogenation by two ways. Number 1, on reaction with halogen in organic solvent. If we are using organic solvent as a solvent or media, then phenol gives mixture of ortho and para substituted compound. Here we get after bromination in carbon tetrachloride, the products are ortho and para bromophenol. But when we react this phenol with bromine water, then it gives a tribromo derivative, that is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So phenol on reaction with bromine water gives this 2,4,6 tribromophenol. The next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Hydrogen atom at ortho and para position is also substituted by sulfonic acid group when with concentrated sulfuric acid. Ortho phenol sulfonic acid is the main product at room temperature, and para isomer is formed at higher temperature, near about 100 degrees Celsius. So you can see the reaction. Phenol, it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at lower temperature or at room temperature, it gives orthophenol sulfonic acid, and at higher temperature near about 100 degrees Celsius it gives paraphenol sulfonic acid. This is the third electrophilic substitution reaction. Now the fourth one is very common, that is alkylation and acylation, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first we will see the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Number A, phenol can be alkylated by alkyl halide or acylated by acetyl chloride in presence of aluminium chloride. So when phenol reacts with alkyl chloride, means methyl chloride, in presence of AlCl3, it gives a two product where CH3 is present at ortho position in one product and CH3 is present on para position in another product. So we get orthocresol and paracresol. and in second, that is in acylation reaction, here phenol reacts with acetyl chloride and we get the product where COCH3 gets substituted at ortho and para position, and the name of the compound is ortho and para hydroxy acetophenone. So this is about the electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol.